Welcome to p3propanesafety. In this video, I'll walk you through how to enter a new account into the system. This step-by-step guide will make the process simple and quick. First, log into your P3 account using your username and password. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the blue menu bar across the top of your screen. Click on the Enter tab. This will bring you to the Entry Selection drop-down. At the top, click the New Account option. This opens a page where you'll enter the account number, which can be letters and or numbers. Then you'll click Continue. You will select Add New Location. Now you're going to start by filling in the customer's basic information. The account name is usually going to be the customer's first and last name or the business name. Then you can add in a description, if it's a house, a barn, etc. Then you're going to add in the address, which is going to include the street, city, state, and zip code. And you can also add in the customer's email address, but that is also optional. If the billing address is the same as the physical address above, you will keep this box checked. If it's not, you can unclick this checkbox and it'll ask you to fill in that additional information. Before clicking the Save button, you do want to double check spelling and numbers because accurate details can help prevent errors later on. Once all the fields are complete, you're going to click Save at the bottom. You'll now see the new account appear in your account list here. After saving, it's a good practice to quickly open up the new account to review the details to make sure that everything looks correct, as you can see on the screen here. For mobile users, they will have to refresh their device to see the new account. And that's it. Now you've successfully added a new account into p3propanesafety. For more tutorials or additional support, reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.